Hi everyone, it's me, Ari Garcia. Another shorts video, another appreciation video, and this video is made for you, Miss Elaine Rizal. Thank you always for supporting our live streaming, even your time is different with us. Thank you so much po, Miss Elaine, at of course sa iyong generosity. Thank you so much po ng marami, not just to me, but for everyone. So let's go, let's unbox this because I'm kind of excited. You know why? Alam niyo na kung bakit. You know what it is? Because because of this kit Molly. Oh my gosh. And you know the drill. I already know what's inside. So the one that I like are the character that I really choose. So let's go na. Dito ko ba siya bubuksan or dito na lang? So dito na lang siguro. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited with this cutie patootie. You know what is this? I will not show you the picture again. So when you see the character, you will be surprised as well. Like me. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Thank you always, everyone, for loving and supporting my live streaming. For supporting me as always. Oh my gosh. This is it. You know why I love this color? Because of because of the color. Oh my gosh. Not just the color, but because of her eyes, with the pink color, with the heart shape, with the saying Bay. Naks naman yan. With my letter, first letter, oh my gosh, my initial, letter R. R. Garcia, who do you love? It's a question mark, Char. I'm just kidding. But that's why I like this character with the pink, with the shape heart on her eyes, and with the initial letter R. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. So let's put the gun. Let's let's shoot the all the pasaway in the whole universe, charot. So let me put her gun. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Yeah, yay! Oh my gosh, you're so pretty, my newest baby. Thank you once again, Miss Elaine Rizal. I'm praying for your happiness and your good health as always. And of course, to everyone, to those who are watching the shorts video, I hope you enjoy watching my newest Molly, the pink kitty one. Love to everyone. I love you all.